Hey everyone, this video is about a project that I've been wanting to do for a long time. So the project is doing up a fish tank. I've had this fish tank for years and it's been empty, stuff that I don't really like. So I cleaned it all out and I wanted to do something really fun and something cool. So I've thought of doing a Star Wars themed fish tank. Now, all the fish tanks that I was looking at, I've seen some really cool ones. I've probably seen the X-Wing fish tank from Star Wars Episode 5, Empire Strikes Back, where Luke crashes it into a swamp and he meets Yoda. Now, that one was really cool. I didn't want to copy that one, so I looked about, I saw a really cool Mario one, I seen a really cool Harry Potter one, but I still really liked the Star Wars one. So I thought, which one would be cool? I could use my 3D printing to incorporate that into it. So I thought of staying with episode 5, The Empire Strikes Back. I wanted to do the starting scene where it's all the snow and the AT walkers fighting and the speeders flying about. So I thought that would be really cool. So I thought of that and I just went to work on it. I will be leaving all the links of places I bought all the things and where I got my files from. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. I also fixed the leg that was here because it was quite weak, and while I was sanding it, it felt like I was going to snap it. So what I did is melted some plastic in the gap that was there so that it would make it a bit stronger and it wouldn't snap, because it's all plastic anyway. So I just melted the same kind of plastic. As you can see, it's not amazing, but it does the job. Of the detail black around the bits that I destroyed. It's kind of damaged around there. So the ripping that I'm doing to surround all these sections will give a bit of detail, and then obviously I'm going to mask the rest of it up. Problem with the fish tank.
Oh no.
I printed these with no infill inside it, so it was hollow inside, but that's what's made it light. I tried speeding up the printing process. That's caused an issue now. I'm gonna have to think of an alternative to keep them down. I've just been to the garden centre place that does fish stuff, and I've bought some weights for all my prints that are floating. It's not expensive, it's about £6, £5. It's like a little spring, there is a straight line, it is very flexible. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my hot glue gun and I'm going to put some glue onto the plastic, hopefully it doesn't melt it, and then I'm going to cut some strips out and stick it on top of it, and hopefully that should weigh it down. So we'll do a couple of test runs and see how that goes. As you can see, we've glued it on, and these are like little strips. They're really flexible, so hopefully it gives it a bit of weight and it can bring it down. So we'll test that and see if it does, and we'll probably have to go back, see if we need to add any more. So I've obviously got this, which is going to be quite easy. I'll put 4 on there, and then we've got all the little pieces to finish. So hopefully it should be easy, and we'll get on. Okay, the moment of truth to see if this sinks. Okay, fail number 1. So this one and another one didn't sink, so I'm gonna have to put in some holes, see what happens. All the holes I put in should be okay. As you can see, when the sand comes you won't see any of it, so it should be cool. So I've put the holes in quickly, and hopefully this helps. Okay, this is it. Let's see if they all sink. They've all gone to the bottom, which is good. So that's done now. Next step. It's fish day! We're gonna go get the fish today. We're gonna get 1 male, 2 females, hopefully. We're gonna pick up some guppies. They are nice fish. They've got like really nice, they've got a really nice tail and they're really bright colours. So we're gonna have to see what they've got. Hopefully they've got the colours I want. So yeah, we're gonna go pick the fish up today, which is gonna be good. And it's been a long load of stuff, a load of printing and a load of sanding, painting and stuff to get this all ready. So we're finally here, so it should be good. We have to wait for the fish. These are the new ones coming in, so we just gotta wait.
20 minutes later.
Hey, we've got the fish, oh yeah. After a little panic, we're gonna put the fish in about 10 minutes. You're meant to give them about 15 minutes being on top of the water to set. So the water in their bags gets the same temperature as what your fish tank is. So a little tip there, if you knew that or you didn't know that. Okay, so I'll show you the fish. There are the fish. 2 males and 4 females. I don't know if this is with all fish, but with guppy fish, the males usually chase the females a lot. So you have to have 2 females to every male so that they get tired of chasing them. And it saves the females from dying. Hey, okay, video is done. Everything's done. All the printing, all the spraying. Got the sanding, got the fishing, got the LED lights in. Everything's done. Thank you for watching. I will be putting a little montage in a minute. Just want to say thank you. Enjoy the montage and let me know what you think in the comments. Okay, now that that's over with, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Tell me what you think about my video with the prints and obviously what I used and what fish I got. If you've got a fish tank, tell me what you've got in there, what theme you've gone with. You can add me on my social medias, the link will be below. If you've got a cool fish tank or you know someone who has, tag me in it. Yeah, just tell me what you thought. It's all done. It took a while, but thank you. So yeah, cheers. Don't forget to check out some of my previous videos, see what you think, and just let me know. I've got more videos coming up of next prints coming up soon. So see you, bye.